Blair from Can Auto Performance. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do an oil change on the B9.5 Audi SQ5. It's recommended to do an oil change every 5,000 to 7,000 miles in order to keep the engine running smoothly. The last time I did an oil change on my 2021 SQ5 was around 74,000 kilometers, which is about 46,000 miles. Right now it's at 81,000 kilometers, which is around 50,300 miles. Okay, so you might be wondering, how is this girl going to be doing this oil change alone? But the way I'm going to be showing you how to do it is super easy. You don't need anyone to help you, and you can do this in your own garage. And the best part is you do not need to lift the car at all because you will be using an oil extractor. All we'll be needing for this oil change is a funnel, a pry tool, a flathead screwdriver, pliers, a socket wrench, a torque wrench, a 32mm socket, an old rag, and some paper towels, obviously your oil, and an oil filter. And most importantly, especially if you're a girl, a hair tie, because I'll definitely be needing this. So when you're doing an oil change, it's best to do it when your engine is still warm. So the first step is to remove your engine bay cover. So the OEM SQ5 does not come with a dipstick. Instead, it uses an electronic system. So we will be removing the dipstick plug that's located right here, and we will be removing it with some pliers. So the next step is to remove this tube in order for us to have more space when we're removing the oil filter cap. So all you need to do with this tube is you need to pinch the base and then you just pull it out. So the next step is we're going to be fishing the extractor tube down the dipstick hole until we reach the bottom. And make sure you're going all the way to the bottom. If you can hear that. Next, we're going to be pumping the extractor in order to get the oil through the tube. So once the oil starts flowing on its own, you won't really need to be pumping it anymore, as you can see. So now that we're almost done extracting the oil, the next step is to remove the oil filter cap. And what you will be needing for this is a rag, as well as a socket wrench with a 32mm socket. So for the rag, you're going to be needing to put it through this area beside the oil filter cap. And the reason why is so when we remove it, it doesn't spill anywhere else, and we pretty much don't make a mess. And to make sure you're going counterclockwise. Okay, so now that we removed the oil filter cap, the next step is we're going to be pumping the oil extract a few times just to get the last bit of oil that's left. So now we're going to be removing the oil oil cap from the filter. And all you need to do is just pull them apart, like that. Now, from your oil cap, you're going to take a flathead screwdriver, and you're pretty much going to remove this O-ring from the cap, like so. Because we're going to be replacing this. So now let's just compare the old filter with the new one. As you can tell, there's a huge difference between the two. The next step is you're going to take your O-ring and you're gonna dip your finger into the new oil. Once you dip your finger into the new oil, you're just gonna lather the O-ring around. And then you're going to grab your oil cap and you're just going to place the O-ring back into its spot. You can do this with your hands. Now we have the O-ring on, and once we have it on, now we can put the new filter in. Like so. So now that we have replaced the old filter with the new filter, we're going to be putting it back into its spot, and you can tighten this with your hands at the beginning, like so. So now you will be using a torque wrench with a 32mm socket. Now it's very important that you use a torque wrench instead of a regular socket wrench because you can damage the seal. So with your torque wrench, make sure that you torque it to spec at 25 Newton meters. So now that we installed the new filter, we can now put this back into its hole, like so. And now we will be removing the extractor tube out of the dipstick hole. Make sure you grab a rag or a paper towel because this will be messy. So next is we're going to be putting back the dipstick plug-in, and then we'll be ready to put in the new oil. So now we're going to be removing the oil cap. And then you're going to take your funnel and you're going to put it right in there so that we can pour in the oil, and this is the oil that I'm using. So for the 2021 SQ5, it takes about 7.2 liters of oil, and the oil that I'm using is the OW20. Put back the oil cap. And now we're going to be grabbing the engine bay cover. So now that we finished the oil change, we're now going to be resetting the service intervals. So in your home screen, you're going to be clicking the vehicle button, then the settings and service, then service intervals, and then you're just going to click reset. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. This is how you do an oil change on the 2021 Audi SQ5. If you found this super helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, please comment down below. See you in the next one.